The 2008 BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is the BMW 4Runner. This full-size sedan has always represented the top of luxury and technology. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, stability control, power sunroof, traction control, cruise control, DVD navigation system package, compass, in-dash 6-disc CD MP3 changer, navigation package, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.